situated in Bordeaux, in Génissac. Château Penin is a property owned by Patrick Carteron, so it's a family property of 45 hectares. What I want to present you today is the Clairé of the Château Penin, because Clairé is really a specialty from the region of Bordeaux. It's a produce in between the rosé and the red, and women loves it because it's not as strong as the red, and well, men loves it as well because if they want to please the woman, it's the good wine because rosé for them is a bit light sometimes. Cheers!